Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome back to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in the last session, as you know, that we have already completed with our GK syllabus. So in today's session, I am going to start with the revision part of the GK. Okay, so as we have all completed the complete syllabus, so from today onwards, I am going to start with the revision part of the GK. And the most importantly, that earlier we have done the topics unit wise. So now we are going to revise all the pages, all the topics according to the page wise, page number wise. Okay. So as you can see, the first topic that is given in your book at page number 7, that is what causes pollution. So this is the first topic that I am going to start in today's session, which is given at page number 7. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 7, that is what causes pollution. Okay, so here I am just writing the topic, that is what causes, this is what causes pollution. This is the topic and this is given at page number 7. Okay, chalo. So the first of all, in this topic we will discuss about it what, okay, so the topic is about what causes pollution. कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिसकी वजह से pollution होता है. But before discussing about the various causes of pollution, first of all we will discuss that what are the different kinds of pollution. So first of all we will discuss that what are the different kinds of pollution, and then along with that we will discuss the different causes of pollution as well. Clear? So first of all we will discuss the different types of pollution. So first of all, what is the meaning of pollution? Pollution क्या होता है? What is pollution? So pollution means any dust particles or any harmful chemicals when they get mixed with the environment through air, water, okay, and it can be harmful for us. So that is known as pollution. ओके जब एयर वाटर में ओके लैंड में किसी भी तरह के हार्मफुल केमिकल्स, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स और ऐसी चीज़ें जो कि जिसकी वजह से दैट कैन कॉज एन इल इफेक्ट ऑन ए पर्सन और एनिमल्स और द लिविंग बींग्स, दैट इज नोन एज पॉल्यूशन. ओके, so there are different types of pollution. The most important and the biggest headache for all the governments, state governments and the government is air pollution. So recently we have celebrated Diwali, we all, okay, and बहुत लोगों ने पटाखे भी चलाए, we burst crackers, and nowadays you can see in the news that nowadays Delhi, the New Delhi, the capital of our country, is facing the severe air pollution problem. Okay, the people, they are suffering from severe air pollution in Delhi, New Delhi. उनको बहुत एयर पोल्यूशन, उनकी जो एयर है वो इतनी ज़्यादा पोल्यूटेड है दैट इट कैन हार्म, ओके, इट कैन डीपली इफेक्ट द हेल्थ ऑफ the people, those who are suffering with some asthmatic problem or the breathing problems, okay, and the old age people. The air is so polluted, the air है वो इतनी polluted है, तो मतलब they can't, you can't, because when we don't breathe pure air, so that means जो वो गंदी air हमारे अंदर जाएगी in the form of oxygen, so definitely it will spoil our body parts, spoil our body function. Okay, so similarly if some people, okay, you have seen some people, they suffer from some asthmatic problem and some breathing problem, or some the old age people, so they definitely bear some problems regarding the breathe. ओके, सांस में उनको परेशानी होती है. सो इफ दे लिव इन सच काइंड ऑफ पॉल्यूटेड एयर, सो विल दे बी एबल टू सर्वाइव लॉन्ग? नो, definitely they will be having a severe effect on their body, in their body function. Okay, so this is the most important one. Okay, that is the air pollution. This is the biggest pollution. Okay, that government is trying their best to overcome this pollution. So the first one is air pollution. First type of pollution is air pollution. Now what is air pollution? Air pollution है क्या? Okay, so how it is caused? So देखो, now question, air pollution मैंने आपको बताया, when harmful gases mixes with the air, okay, and we breathe in that air, okay, that is called our body. Okay, so when the जो हवा है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा harmful chemicals या dust particles मिक्स हो जाता है, और हार्मफुल गैसेज व्हेन इट मिक्सेस विद द एयर, ओके, दैट पॉल्यूट्स द एयर, दैट इज नोन एज एयर पॉल्यूशन, जो कि एयर की प्योरिटी को खत्म कर देती है, दैट इज नोन एज एयर पॉल्यूशन. Now the topic was what causes pollution. So what are the different causes of air pollution? The different causes of air pollution is smoke from the chimneys. So chimneys जो factories होती हैं, उनकी chimneys से जो धुआं निकलता, that is one of the major cause. Okay, and smoke from the vehicles. Okay, जो vehicles हैं उनके पीछे जो vehicles हैं उनके पीछे धुआं जो निकलता है, पेट्रोल व्हीकल, डीजल व्हीकल से जो धुआं निकलता है, that is also one of the cause of air pollution. Okay, other than that, bursting of crackers. Okay, recently we all have done this, that also causes the air pollution. Okay, so all these smoke that is coming from the chimneys and the vehicles, they are polluted, they have lots of harmful gases in it, and when these gases mixes with the air, it causes the air pollution. Clear? Chalo. Moving next to the second one. The second type of pollution is water pollution. Next is water pollution. Now what is water pollution? So water pollution is a pollution when the harmful chemicals or the gases or chemicals or the gases, you can say, that mixes with the water, जब वो पानी में mix हो जाती हैं, okay, that causes the water pollution. Now what are the various causes of water pollution? So that means when the drainage water mixes with the river water or the ocean water or the sea water, जो गंदा पानी है, नालों का गंदा पानी है, जब वो सी में, ओके, जो देखिए जितने भी जो सीवेज होते सिस्टम, they fall into the sea, जितना भी सीवेज है किसी कहीं का भी, all they fall into some river or the sea, वो किसी ना किसी रिवर या सी में गिरता है, and when they fall into any sea or river, so that means that is going to pollute the complete river or the sea, and it will cause the water pollution. Clear? And what are the various causes? Okay, so the various causes is sewage water, drainage, and disposing of harmful chemicals and the leftovers, or the garbage of the factories into the river. तो देखो आपने बहुत सारे देखा होगा, जब मोस्टली जो फैक्ट्रीज होती हैं ज़्यादातर रिवर्स के आसपास बनी होती हैं, ओके, एंड उनका जितना भी बचा हुआ कचरा होता है, दे जस्ट डिस्पोज इट इनटू द रिवर, एंड दैट completely spoils the river purity. I'll give you just an example. So you must have seen, okay, if you have ever been to Ghaziabad or New Delhi, अगर आप कभी न्यू दिल्ली या गाजियाबाद गए हो, सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन द यमुना रिवर इज देयर. वहाँ पे यमुना रिवर है उन्हीं के बगल में, एंड यू कैन सी जो वहाँ का जो यमुना रिवर का जो पानी है, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली ब्लैक. नाउ व्हाई इज इट ब्लैक? बिकॉज उसके बगल में, उसके जो साथ में, द बैंक ऑफ यमुना रिवर, देयर लॉट्स ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज आर देयर, एंड ऑल द फैक्ट्रीज दे डिस्पोज ऑफ देयर वेस्ट इनटू दैट रिवर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दैट रिवर इज कम्प्लीटली पॉल्यूटेड. And you know, due to the water pollution, we are the various species of aquatic animals, they are also getting endangered. बहुत सारे हमारे जो species है वो भी endangered हो रहे हैं, because if the water is polluted, so definitely that animals, these aquatic animals, they will not be able to survive into the water of the river or the sea, and definitely they are going to die. Okay, बहुत सारे aquatic plants and animals, they can't survive due to polluted water in the rivers and the sea, and they are getting extinct. Okay, so this is also, this water pollution is the cause of one of the major cause of extinction or the endangering of some of the species of aquatic animals and aquatic plants. Okay, so this is water pollution. So causes, okay, I have already explained, disposing of waste by the factories, okay, and drainage water into the river, disposing of sewage water into the river, throwing garbage into the river. So these all are the causes of water pollution. Chaliye, third type of pollution that we will discuss is noise pollution. That is noise pollution. Now what is noise pollution? Noise pollution क्या है? So the pollution that causes due to loudspeakers. Okay, you must have seen जब भी कभी कहीं कोई फंक्शन होता है तो ऊंची ऊंची जो सॉन्ग्स बजाए जाते हैं, गाने बनाए जाते हैं, दैट कॉजेज द नॉइस पोल्यूशन. बर्स्टिंग ऑफ क्रैकर्स, दे कॉज एयर पोल्यूशन एज वेल एज नॉइस पोल्यूशन. ओके, नॉइस पोल्यूशन, आपको कि मैम आवाज़ से क्या पोल्यूशन होगा, देखिए होता है. ओके, सम पीपल दे सफ़र फ्रॉम हियरिंग इम्पेयर्ड, दैट दे कांट हियर प्रॉपरली. ओके, सो दे हैव हियरिंग डिसेबिलिटी. ओके, सो देयर ईयर्स आर इफेक्टेड बाय दैट, उनसे उनके कान पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है. ओके, स्पेशली द ओल्ड पीपल. इफ़ यू हैव सम ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स इन योर होम्स, सो आपने देखा होगा दिवाली वाले दिन वो बाहर नहीं जाते होंगे, ठीक है, स्पेशली जब पटाखे चलते हैं. वाई? द रीजन इज बिकॉज ऑफ द नॉइस दैट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू द बर्स्टिंग ऑफ क्रैकर्स एंड द एयर पॉल्यूशन दैट इज कॉज्ड विद द स्मोक of the bursting of crackers. Okay, so noise pollution is also one of the very has a very harmful effect, especially on the animals and old people and on the people those who are suffering from hearing problem or disability. Clear? Now what are the various causes of noise pollution? So various causes of noise pollution is, so first one you can say that is the various cause of noise pollution. The first we can say loudspeakers. ओके, आपने देखा होगा जब भी कोई इवेंट होता है, कहीं जगराता हो, कुछ भी हो, तो बहुत ऊंची ऊंची जोर जोर से गाने चला देते हैं. एंड यू नो दैट ऑल्सो इफेक्ट्स द स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, देयर इज अ लॉ कि देन ड्यूरिंग द February and the March month, the people are not allowed to use loudspeakers in the public area or in the residential areas. तो जो रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज है, पब्लिक एरियाज हैं, जहाँ पे रेजिडेंस है लोगों का, वहाँ पे जोर जोर से गाने बजाने अलाउड नहीं होते. Reason, because at those times the students, they are having their exam times. So okay, February and March is an exam time. Okay, and अगर उस टाइम पे अगर बच्चों को गाने इतने जोर से लाउड स्पीकर चलेंगे, तो will they be able to study? No, they will not be able to study anything. Okay, so that's why in Delhi, when you go to Delhi, you can see there after 10 o'clock no one is allowed to play the songs on the loudspeaker. किसी को भी लाउड स्पीकर पे 10 बजे के बाद they will not be allowed to use the loudspeakers. Okay, if you want to play the song, that's play it at a very low speed that others are not able to hear it. Okay, so there's a law. If somebody कोई ऐसा कुछ करता है कि हाँ वो 10 बजे के बाद भी गाना चला रहा है, so legal action is taken against them. Okay, so you, because of your happiness, you can't spoil the happiness of others. आप खुश हो, आप गाने बजा के नाच रहे हो खूब, बट ये नहीं कि आप खुश हो तो दूसरे को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. प्रॉब्लम क्यों हो रही है? बिकॉज वो बुजुर्ग हैं, बच्चे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं. ओके, एनिमल, तो आपकी खुशी में दूसरों को प्रॉब्लम नहीं चाहिए. तो दैट शुड बी केप्ट इन योर माइंड. बीइंग अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन, यू शुड केप्ट इन योर माइंड दैट आप अपनी खुशी के लिए दूसरों के लिए किसी भी तरह की प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट ना करें. क्लियर? चलिए. Okay, so this was the third type of pollution, that is noise pollution. So the causes of noise pollution is bursting of crackers. तो जब पटाखे बजते उससे बहुत ज़ोर से आवाज़, that is also one of the cause of noise pollution. Other than that, you can say playing songs on loudspeakers. Okay, so this is also one of the causes of noise pollution. चलिए, The next, the fourth one is, that is land pollution. Land pollution. Land pollution or soil pollution, कुछ भी आप कह सकते हो इसको. So land pollution or soil pollution. This is another type of pollution, that is soil pollution, or land pollution is also the term that is used for it. So when the land is polluted, देखो land pollute कैसी होगी? When the pollution affects the fertility of the land or the soil. Okay, so देखिए you must have seen, मतलब आपने देखा होगा, or you must have done. Okay, so some of the farmers, they apply excessive quantity of pesticides and insecticides on their plants. बहुत सारे फार्मर्स लोग करते हैं, दवाई छिड़कते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. Okay, excessive use of pesticides and insecticides on the plants will harm the plants and the person who will consume those plants, or it will also affect the fertility of the soil. Fertility means उस soil की उपजाऊ शक्ति. Okay, that वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पैदावार नहीं कर पाएगी. It will not be able to produce more. Okay, so they all causes the land pollution, जिससे कि जो soil की fertility पे effect पड़े. So that causes the soil pollution. Okay, for example, what are the causes? Okay, so first of all, the excessive use of fertilizers and the pesticides. Okay, second is land pollution, throwing garbage. आपने देखा होगा कहीं गार्बेज अगर आप कहीं एक जगह इकट्ठा कर दो, जगह फेंकते जा रहे हो, वहाँ बहुत सारा गार्बेज कूड़ा इकट्ठा हो जाए, तो आप देखोगे बहुत सारे उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स उसके ऊपर दे स्टार्ट crawling on it, और बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स, मधुमक्खी, मच्छर. ओके, सो व्हेन वी थ्रो गार्बेज एट सम प्लेस, धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, ऑब्वियसली कीड़े आएंगे. ओके, जो मॉस्किटोज हैं वो बनेंगे, मक्खी मच्छर एंड वो मक्खी मच्छर जब बनेंगे, सो व्हाट एंड व्हेन दोज मॉस्किटोज एंड फ्लाइज व्हेन दे विल कम इन कांटेक्ट विद यू, आपसे कांटेक्ट में कैसे आएंगे, हम देखो मक्खी उड़ती है, बैठ जाती है, कई बार कभी वो हमारे खाने पे बैठ जाती है. सो दैट मीन्स, तो पहले वो मक्खी उड़ के किसी गार्बेज पे बैठी थी, गंदगी पे, देन इट फ्लाइड एंड सिट ऑन योर फूड. ओके, एंड व्हेन लेटर ऑन व्हेन यू कंज्यूम दैट फूड, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, जो उसकी मक्खी की बॉडी पे जो स्टिक हुआ होगा कोई भी गंद, वो आपके खाने में लग गया, एंड नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कंज्यूम इट, एंड दैट मीन्स जब वो गंदगी आपके अंदर जाएगी, सो दैट विल इफेक्ट योर बॉडी. Okay, so this is how this will affect your body. Okay, so pollution directly or indirectly, it will going to harm your body. Okay, second cause of land pollution is that throwing garbage or the heap of garbage on the land. Clear? So these are the 4 different types of pollution that we had discussed. The first was air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and land pollution. So coming to your book, in the book it is given. So these pictures are given, and the first, okay, so you need to mention that what kinds of pollution are caused by these. So first one is, the first picture is of bursting of crackers. So bursting of cracker causes air pollution. Second is heap of garbage is here, so this causes land pollution. So heap of garbage will cause land pollution. Third is disposing of waste into the river or the water. This will cause water pollution. Next, loudspeakers. It will cause noise pollution. Smoking, and the smoke that comes out of smoking, okay, that causes, again it will causes the air pollution as well as to affect the health of the person who does smoking. Next is applying pesticides and the fertilizer. It will affect their body. Okay, so it will affect the soil fertility. So this is causes the land pollution or the soil pollution. Next, disposing of sewage water into the river. It will cause water pollution. Next, okay, the smoke coming out of chimneys mixes into the air. It causes air pollution. The last is smoke coming out of the vehicles. It also causes the air pollution. Clear? So these are the different causes of air pollution, and the picture is given. Okay. So this was the topic, that is what causes the pollution, And this is from my today's session as well. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.